focusing on their futures. Robert Smalls International Academy held a family career development night earlier this week for students in 6th through 8th grades. The school shared these photos from the event as students and their families learned about different career pathways.
The night was designed to share an overview of the career development program here at Robert Smalls and to share resources with our parents that they could use to encourage their students to accept themselves and explore careers, as well as a time where we were able to bring people in from the community that gave resources to the parents for their career development.
Students and their families also took part in several interactive activities so students could share their interests and listen to the adults talk about their careers.
For me, I like to go into science and technology, and my grandfather, who was there with me, he was in the military, right? And he stood up and he spoke about, encouraging children and parents, parents to lead the way, and to say, hey, it's okay to not know what you want to do yet, but we have to lead our kids and we have to make sure that they know that this is a safe space where they can talk to us about it.
As the students identify careers they'd like to pursue, the school will take that information and support them as they prepare for high school and beyond.
We want to link that up with colleges and universities that have those types of majors for them, so then they know that they're making a very informed decision.
It's beneficial to the students and the parents so they can know what resources are available, what other careers are out there, because they're so used to the norm. They're so used to the policemen, the firefighters, the nurses. So it's also good for them to understand that there's so much other careers that's out there and available, not just for the students, but also for the parents as well.
The school hopes the students and their families feel supported and continue to discuss different career pathways at home.
I believe it gave parents a little bit more insight into what it is that we offer here in the district, but also that there are just endless ways to support their students. And sometimes it's not even the first thing that comes to mind, like scholarships and exploring colleges. Sometimes it's just sitting down with them and giving them a safe space to speak about what they enjoy and what they're interested in. That's one of the main keys to career development in the middle school age.
It was amazing. I think this is something that we can build up even more, and hopefully next year more people come out and just get all the information, because we did have a lot of resources for families as well.
More than 50 people took part in the Family Career Development Night at Robert Smalls International Academy, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.